Today we're working on a take a 10-minute walk. This link will be linked to the description below. So let me go away. Alright. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna do a JavaScript and yeah. So, you live in the city of Curticia, where all roads are laid out in a perfect grid. You're 10 minutes too early to an appointment, so you decide to take the opportunity to go for a short walk. The city provides its citizens with a walk generator app on their phones. Every time you press a button, it sends you an array of one-character string represent the direction to walk, such as N for north, S for south, W for west, E for east. Assumably, you always walk only a single block in a direction, so you know it take you 1 minute to travel one city block. So create a function that will return true if the walk app give you the exactly 10 minutes walk. If you don't want to be too early or too late, and will of course return you to the starting point. Return false otherwise. Note, you will always return a valid array containing random assortment of direction letter and SE or W only. It will never give you an empty array, and because that's a standing well and not a actual walk. Okay, so how should we do this? First, you're going to take in an array. So actually, I think it will be great if I have this whiteboard fox. So probably I will link the whiteboard fox to the description also. If I can open it. Because I had to draw. Okay. Alright, well, this page is loading, so unfortunately my cell can change. Alright, so let's take a look. So what can we tell? Will it work? So if it is one array. So the first thing is if it's one, it's definitely not going to work. Okay. If it's a 1, it's definitely not going to work. So if the length is equals to 1, so just return false immediately. Run some simple test. Okay. So I'll return true for now. Alright, so this page, I don't know why it takes so long to load today, but hopefully it can load, else I probably need to record my thinking on a graphing paper. Okay. Poor Fox, what this thing is not working. What a great way to start a video. Just want a simple way. Alright. So let's go ahead and oh no. Okay, yeah. We do need a graphing paper. Alright. So let's go and get started. Let's see. So first thing first is let's say I start at here. Okay. So let's say I start right here. So technically speaking, to check, I can say if it's go up, turn right, turn left, turn down. So that's a perfect round. So to make it work, it need to turn so you need to turn let me draw a small compass. Alright. So you need to go to east 1. So easers have NWSE in all the array where just the order matters. Because we need to try a few. Oh, okay, there we go. Finally, it loaded. Okay, but I think you probably can also edit the board. So hopefully you don't do some bad stuff. Alright, so let's see. Let's say this point is our starting point. Okay. And want to make it move. So technically, if it's only one, it's definitely going to be false. Then I think one idea is keep track of numbers, such as you start with 0, where you get north you plus 1, south you minus 1, east you plus 2, west you minus 2. Not sure would that work, but we'll take a look. So for example, the first thing we get is north, south, north, south, north, south, north, south. So we got 8 north, south. So it should return true. So north, south, yeah, definitely passed because 0 plus 1 minus 1 is 0, then so on and so forth. So yeah, let's see this complicated one. So west, east, west, east, west, east, west, east, west, east. Why does this return false? West, east. Okay, so it is west, east, west, east, west, east, west, east, west, east, west, east. What's this return false? So, cause when you have points like right here, go 1, you go back. So it's yeah, it should work. What's not work? We. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, let me read the instruction again. Oh, in 10 minutes. So we'll walk the length is greater than 10. It's definitely not going to work. Yeah, so we must make sure we know it's 10 minutes. Alright, let's try this one. Let's see. North, 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 south. So, we got 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. And we got 2 if I calculated it correctly. So, therefore, I believe, yeah, if we set, I believe we set north so north equals plus 1, south equals minus 1, east equals plus 2, west equals minus 2. Alright, so let's take a look now. So, guys can just stay together. Actually, yeah, I'm going to do that later. So, else. So, now let's replace with numbers. So, let's just say, numbers. Array. So, if for let I equals 0, I smaller than what the length I plus plus numbers dot push. Let's go ahead push. So let's say if numbers dash I equals so technically speaking, I can simplify this by removing it and once it sees south. But that's just going to make it a little bit more complicated. Let's forget about that first. So north. So numbers dot push. Can just push 1. Else if it is really not readable right now because I'm gonna work out comments later. Else if first dash I equals south. Numbers push -1. LCF east plus 2. LCF west, which is minus 2. Great. So now let's go ahead console.log. Make sure it's within the functions. Let's take a look. We got empty logs. Not push correctly. I still forgot to push. Yeah, that's how you push. Well, then that's weird. Oh, yeah, my bad. It's not numbers, it's walk. Let's try that again. Alright, indeed. Now, for our step 2 is calculating the sum. Calculating the sum. So, how can we calculate a sum in an array? So, I would like to create an extra function called sum. Or do we have to? Probably don't have to, but so this part probably is actually the most difficult part, at least for me. So I can loop through everything again. So for I equals 0, smaller than numbers dot length, I plus plus. What should I do now? I should just keep adding until it's reached the last term. So how? It's so easy to do in Python because it will automatically result how to sum an array. Okay, so let's take a look. Reduce method provides the array to a single value. Ooh, this is going to be really helpful. This is subtracting the number. I want to add the number together. So we should use reduce. So let's just say. So we don't need this. So console.log. Reduce. So I'm curious to see how, because it doesn't really provide other parameter. Let me take a look. Array storing accumulator from left to right. Function. So get sum, take a parameter total. Okay. So we do need another function. a function this sum. Just call this get sum. Ticket total and num. That's argument. Turn total. No, wait. Yeah. And we can say get sum. Right, is that how you use it? Get sum. Initial value is 0. Let's take a look. Oh, it actually worked. So we can say if numbers that reduce get sum equals 0. Probably can return true. Else return false. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, pass out the test. Let's do an attempt. Alright. Value is not what expected. Should return if walk is too short. Oh, so it have to be exactly. So we can say less than 10. Okay. Alright. Yes, so it have to be exactly then 10. So store newly created numbers in numbers array. And the idea is replace south, east, west with corresponding number value. Yeah, that's really, it's a pure idea. So this part is really, this have actually two useful part. Two really important part. First is the number replacement, so we know how to deal with it. Second is the reduce thing. Yeah, reduce thing. So check if walk is too short or too long. Push the number to numbers array. Alright, and then calculating the sum. Function for getting sum to let's reduce work. Alright, let's go attempt. Alright, let's submit our final solution. It's usually going to take a lot of time. This is going to be relatively an easy one. Yeah. So, guess today's video going to end relatively short. It's like all this code word video, it ends like 40 minutes. That's really long. But let's take a look. How's our other genius solution? Okay, so since it's a little bit short, I decided to spend quite a few minutes to take a look on I'm very satisfied. Oh, okay. Let's take a look solutions. Can do a little bit Q&A. And yes, all these code words video is I never see them before, never even thought about them most likely. This is cool. Water filter. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I don't really need numbers, like, at all. Ooh, this is like the same thought of me. Yep. Yeah, oh, this is a little bit. Mine is even longer. Good. Great. So, yep. I guess that will be the this video. Thank you for watching.